Hello guys, Ninja here. So in this video we are going to create a simple Pygame window like this with a square and learn about some coordinates and event loop, window update and other stuff. So let's get started. So it is very easy to create and you can create games with it. Here will be some examples of the games I made, and you can like have very low level control on whatever it is doing. So we will use the Pygame library to do this. It will not come pre-installed. You will need to install it. First go to command prompt and type pip install Pygame, and then hit enter. Then pip will install Pygame for you. For me it is already installed, so it says requirement already satisfied. For you it will download the Pygame package or module, and let's get started. Cut. So first of all what we will do is import Pygame, and then we will initiate Pygame. So it will initiate or initialize all the different submodules or subsets of it. First call Pygame dot init dot for initialization, and then first we will need to set up the screen. I will call it screen. Now we will use the Pygame model to set up the screen. First call Pygame dot display dot what is it, set mode. So the first parameter is the size, which I will set to 400 by 400, and the second parameter you don't need to set, but you can set it if you want. And then I will create a while loop, so it will run every frame. I will explain it to you what a frame means. So use the while true and while loop, set it to true, so it will run infinitely or forever. And now we will use the screen dot sorry we will use Pygame dot display dot update to update the screen. And now when I run this, I will get this window, but as you can see it is like not responding to my movements, and now it is hanged up because we need to have a for loop or a event loop. I will write it here, event loop. So for Pygame you need a event loop in the while loop. For this you can loop over every event in the Pygame dot event list. Pygame dot event dot get, and you don't need to pass any parameters in here. Now when I am looping over every event, when I am looping over every event, I will just check if the events type event.type is equal to the Pygame the Pygame's quit event. So in Pygame, the event name or event code of every thing is in caps, all capital. And now I will use the Pygame dot quit to exit out of it. And now when I run this, I will hit the window as usual, and now it is responding to like smoothly, and it is not hanging up. Now when I close this, I get an error. This is because I quit out of Pygame, but still I try to update the Pygame display. So to avoid this error, you will need to import second library called sys system, short for system. So it will come inbuilt or pre-installed with Python. You will not need to install it. Then write sys dot exit. It will terminate or stop the program right after the cross is pressed. So now the window appears as usual. You can click the cross and it will close the window. Now this is a different topic, but let's say we need to show a square. So I will just over here use the Pygame dot draw dot rect. This is short for rectangle. And now as you can see here, I will need to pass some parameters. The first one is screen, the screen on which I want to draw the rectangle. The second one is the color. So let's say it is in RGB format. I will need to pass the red value. It's a 225, 255. This value ranges from 0, which is completely black or no amount of red, green or blue, to 255, which is completely white or full. 255 means red full, green 0, blue 0. So it will be a red square, and then I will need to pass a rectangle. So this is the pixel coordinate. So how does the pixel coordinate work? It is something like this. I will just comment this out for now. So this coordinate of your window is the 0 point or the origin of the window, and if I set the rectangle is in such manner. First you will need to pass the left coordinate, then the right coordinate, and then the width and height of the rectangle. So first of all I will pass the left coordinate, which for my case I will be setting it to 0. It will be close to this side, left side. I will set it to 0. The right coordinate I will also set it to 0. Oh, sorry, not the right, the top. And then I will set the width of the rectangle to 50 pixels and height also to 50 pixels. So everything you see here is in pixels. And now I will pass the rectangle. And now when I run this, I should get, yes, there it. I get a rectangle at the top left part. So now you will see as I increase this, it will it will it will start to go to the right, and if I increase this, it will start to go down. So This is the simple Pygame. This is how you can create a simple window in Python. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and drop your valuable feedback in the comment section.